Hello everybody, how are you doing? Here is Kashan. Today is 17th of May at 11 a.m. We were wandering in the streets of the old district with a sound like the clatter of wood, which was constantly repeated by a certain order. We followed the route until we reached the old weaving workplace. Now, what is weaving at all? And what is the product of it? And how they prepare it is going to be answered in this video. So stay tuned. Weaving is one of the Iran's handmade crafts, a kind of cloth woven with hair or silk, a traditional art in desert cities such as Kashan and Yazd, with its record of over 3.5 centuries. Hello, Father. May the God give you the strength.
Thanks, my dear.
Could you please tell us where we are and what are you doing?
Sure, here is weaving workplace. We produce silk fabrics using these devices, which have different uses. These examples you see are the fabric that we produce them.
Oh, how wonderful! Would you like to tell us about the production steps of these fabrics?
Weaving the fabric begins with the early stages of production from natural fibers and will continue to end the final weaving with wood devices. In order to staining the fibers, they use traditional staining methods, which are done in the dyeing workshops. In the following, the fibers prepared after being transported here are mounted on the spinning wheel. Then, through the movement of the spinning disc, the fibers are woven into each other and the fabric is woven.
These machines look very old.
Yes, these are old machines, and old carpenters have made these. This is the work of the woodworkers, and this is the work of the carpentry. As you can see, this wood is filled with lead in order to make the piece heavy. The old machine is made up of different fragments that are mainly made of wood, and no one will produce them now, which is why the machine is considered as an antique.
Thanks a lot for your explanations.
You're welcome.
There are no specific maps for the texture of the fabrics, and they are woven into two simple and striped styles. Simple cloths more for women's dresses and striped cloth more for men's clothing. Warm colors are used for weaving the fabrics. Colors like green, red, purple, black, gold, silver, and blue. In the past, weaving was the most popular industry in the old Kashan, and there are still workspaces in the old neighborhoods where old men sit behind the sewing machines, which are usually more than 17 years old. weaving in Iran is a unique historical art with a rich historical background that continues to function even with the presence of modern factories. Some aged workers continue their work. Please introduce our channel to your friends so we can have a better understanding of Iran. And for more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for following us. This is Iran.